you're not afraid of hard work, just like me, you're going to love this property. We're sitting on 40 acres of prime real estate, beautiful big dam, 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom, needs renovation, low set brick home. There's plenty of sheds, 7-car accommodation, and of course, we're 37 minutes from Ipswich CBD. We're only 15 minutes from Harrisville and only 9 minutes from Rosevale. This is a renovator's paradise, awesome block, you're going to love it, and I think there's some money to be made here too.